These days, with a ton of products available in the market, it might be hard to find one that helps businesses, especially in a fierce competition. Business doers jump at any chance to win a competitive edge in the market. In this video, we show you the top 10 best trending products to sell online in 2020. Number 10, Front-Facing Baby Carrier. Let's be honest, women have to work and they can't take care of babies at the same time. That's where the Front-Facing Baby Carrier comes in as a really handy product. By using it, women can take care of the house chores and keep an eye on their babies as well, all at the same time. Baby carriers are thriving. They are one of the most bought products online, clearly evident by their Google graph. With a few ups and downs, as is seen in the graph, their demand is still high enough to sell a dozen in a minute. Number 9, Child Wrist Leash. Many women lose their children while shopping in the malls. The Child Wrist Leash will help avoid such an unfortunate scenario. If you are a parent, all you need to do is wrap around your wrist and your child's wrist. The Child Wrist Leash is a highly sought after product in the US market, where most women go to malls for shopping. Sell it on your e-commerce store by targeting the following interest groups. According to Google Trends, the wrist leashes are gradually becoming more popular among young parents, so they will have a high selling potential during the holiday season. Number 8, Strapless Backless Bra. With an adhesive strapless backless bra, women can now enjoy sleeveless dresses at any time of the day. These strapless bras are easy to wear and highly comfortable. They will stick to the breasts through silicone suckers to avoid a wardrobe malfunction. If you are in the fashion industry, selling strapless backless bras and their multiple variations is surely a highly profitable bet. Number 7, Eyeshadow Stamp. The eyeshadow stamp helps make eyeshadows within seconds. Simply put the paste or eyeshadow on the stamp and then press it on the eyelid. It is a perfect product to sell to makeup artists. The eyeshadow stamp will work more or less on all types of eye sizes, and more than one person can also use a single eyeshadow stamp as well. Get them in front of girls and take your selling to the next level. Number 6, Inflatable Pet Collars. Pet collars are a new trend in the market. Both cats and dogs can use inflatable pet collars during sleep or traveling. However, the main purpose of the inflatable pet collars is to protect your pets from injuries to the face or help them recover after an injury. If you have a pet store, then selling pet collars in 2020 is surely a great idea. People search for inflatable dog collars using multiple variations, so the accurate results may not be available for this product. Number 5, phone lenses. Phone lenses help capture better photographs. They are available in multiple settings. Search for those that have better quality and more order volume while selling on your store. Phone lenses have been in the market for the last few years and have remained a top-selling product on most drop-shipping stores. It is good to see they still haven't lost their charm. Phone lenses have gained a reputation in mobile phone market. They are known to double the magnification of captured snaps and allow photographers to take mesmerizing photos with just a click of a button. Number 4, face shield. People love to look cool, and the best way now is by attractive face shields or masks. And when people love something, it is in demand. So, start selling customized cool face shields on your e-commerce store. You can easily sell them online as they were one of the top trending products in 2020. Number 3, wireless phone chargers. Wireless phone chargers are the next big thing in smartphone accessories. Why? People are fed up with regular charging devices. They all come with a wire. It's a better idea to start selling wireless phone chargers on your e-commerce store. You can directly import wireless chargers from manufacturers or drop ship the product to your e-store. There is a Google trend of wireless phone chargers. As you can see, the product is gradually rising in trend. It will rise even more because now iPhone has launched its new smartphone with wireless charging. Number 2, spider nail gel. Girls simply love to polish their nails, and a new trend of nail polish is spider nail gel. The gel is a mixture of glitter and paint. The bottle comes with both mixed together and will spread a fine line of sparkling paint on the nails if applied. And finally, number 1, portable blender. A portable blender is great for fitness enthusiasts, and the trend to stay fit is rising in 2020. Many people have made it their resolution to stay fit. And what is the best way to do that? Through a healthy diet. The juice lets them do that, and it is available from multiple companies. So, while selling this item, make sure that it is original because people won't love the replica. Thanks for watching. Press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos.